Hey, how you guys doing? So, wanted to bring you on my walk that I go on. In the course, I go over it, I call it the mandatory walk, and unfortunately, I am violating my own walk mandatory rules by bringing electronics with me. I have my phone, have my headphones, obviously, and I'm making this video. So, in the course, I talk about going on a walk. Sorry for the little bit of shaking that's going on. I don't have my little tripod thing with me, but bear with me, it'll be quick. So in the course, I talk about, in the solution section, how important it is to go on a walk, but specifically a walk in the sun if possible and as close to nature as possible, okay? And I talk about how, you want to look at the grass, look at the trees, right? You want to look at the trees, you want to take a quick second and really look at as much nature as possible. You hear the birds chirping, there's crows, different types of birds, I don't know the names, there's little bugs, the air is hitting, the grass and the bushes, and you really want to be taking nice deep breaths alongside having your posture right, okay? You want to straighten it out because a lot of times we forget to straighten out our posture. And while, you're taking nice deep breaths, your posture is good. You get to look at the birds, the trees, the nature. You get vitamin D from the sun. But more importantly, very healthy for your brain, for the different type of things that we talk about inside the course that are the main problems, and just overall very therapeutic, very beneficial for helping you reduce your anxiety and depression. You get a little bit of exercise, and what's funny is an interesting thing about exercise is a lot of people talk about getting the runner's high, or they talk about that euphoric feeling that they get when they're working out. And one of the reasons is because our body is shooting serotonin up into the brain a little bit easier while we're exercising, or when we get to that area where we're feeling very euphoric. So that's partially another way to get serotonin into the brain is exercising. And I'm not going to go into detail with all the other benefits outside of the stuff that we talk about in the course. And if you already taken the course and you're watching this video, then you know what I'm talking about and all the different problems that we're facing in the year of 2020. That's why it's called the mandatory 2020 e-course, okay? And anyways, maybe I'll bring you guys on another one. Hope you guys are doing this. There's no sky out right now, and we know the importance of looking at the sky that we discuss in the course as well. But anyways, it's beautiful out here, very beautiful. You can see down out there. It's really important to also look at things far away, get that. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this short. It's getting a little loud. I'm sure you guys are gonna be a little frustrated maybe, but anyways, I will see you guys a little bit later. And if you're not in the course, get in there. Promise you, it's probably one of the best investments you'll make in your life, especially in the year 2020 with all the stuff that's going on. Everyone who's inside the course has said the same exact thing. I have people telling me that they want their family to take it because of how impactful the information is. It's only about 4 to 5 hours long. It's not 40 to 60 to 70 to 80 hours like other courses are. I only go into the real stuff that's affecting us in the year 2020. I talk about the main problems. I don't talk about all the problems, because when we take care of the main problems, we get the massive benefit. And taking care of a few problems is much easier and getting a huge result for it, rather than taking care of 1,000 problems and getting minimal effect for it. And that's just called the 80-20 rule. So anyways, guys, I'm hopping off here. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys.